So today's video is a review of my Tiffany Setting Solitaire engagement ring. So this ring is 1.55 carats with a clarity of VS1 and a diamond color of I. Today's video is going to be broken down into these following sections. Vincent will also be joining us for today's video. He is 6 months old. So the following information I pulled directly from Tiffany & Co.'s website. I'm first going to go over the 4 C's of diamonds, which include cut, clarity, color, and carat. Cut of a diamond is arguably one of the most important factors of the 4 C's. It refers to how a diamond's facets interact with light. It is determined by symmetry, proportion, and polish. If a diamond is cut poorly, it will appear dull even if it has a high color and clarity grade. If a diamond is cut well, it will reflect and refract light for maximum brightness and sparkle. Cut is the only one of the 4 C's that is affected by human hands. 2 diamonds may have the same clarity, color, and carat weight, but cut is what determines whether or not one is superior to the other. Non-Tiffany diamonds are sometimes cut too deep or too shallow, allowing light to escape through the sides and the bottom. There are 3 diamond cuts used to craft every diamond shape: brilliant cut, step cut, and mixed cut. The brilliant cut is the most popular facet arrangement. It is made of triangular and kite-shaped facets, all arranged to optimize brilliance or light return. Diamond clarity is a measure of the purity and rarity of the stone, graded by the visibility of these characteristics under 10 power magnification. A stone is graded as flawless if, under 10 power magnification, no inclusions or internal flaws and no blemishes or external imperfections are visible. At Tiffany, they only accept 0.04% of the world's gem-grade diamonds. Under the Tiffany standard umbrella, Tiffany accepts diamonds that are at best flawless or at a minimum VS2 clarity. If a diamond's clarity is on the borderline between 2 grades, Tiffany will always assign the stone a lower grade. Aside from cut, color is the second most important of the 4 C's because the color grade directly affects the stone's appearance. Diamonds with a poor color grade can appear slightly yellow instead of the desired brilliant white. Tiffany will not accept stones exhibiting strong or excessive fluorescence. Fluorescence is a diamond's tendency to emit a soft colored glow when subjected to an ultraviolet light such as a black light. Color refers to the natural tint inherent in white diamonds. In nature, most white diamonds have a slight tint of yellow. The industry standard for grading yellow is to evaluate each stone against a master set and assign a letter grade from D colorless to Z light yellow. Tiffany only accepts diamonds in the colorless and near colorless range on a diamond color scale. Contrary to popular belief, carat actually denotes the weight of the diamond, not the size. A diamond may have a higher carat weight without appearing larger, and 2 diamonds of the same carat weight can vary in size if one is cut deeper than the other. And aside from the 4 C's of cut, color, clarity, and carat, Tiffany also has another metric for grading their stones called presence. Now, presence refers to the precision of cut, symmetry, and polish. Tiffany has a variety of services under their Lifetime of Service program. They have engagement ring customization, a ring upgrade program, the diamond certificate and full lifetime warranty, and of course they also have a repair service. They also sell a jewelry care kit for $35 on their site. On their site, it's quite easy to book an appointment. You just click the link right here, enter your information, and there's also an optional request a ring section where you can show them rings that you are interested in. So on their site, they have the search tool in which you can adjust various parameters to influence how much you pay. So for color, you can select from I all the way up to D. For clarity, you can select VS2, which is the lowest, to internally flawless, which is the highest, and you can also adjust the price as well. I want to make one example on these particular rings. So in this example, both rings are 1.56 carats. They both have a color I, and the only difference between the two is the clarity. The first one has a VS1 clarity, the second one has a VVS1 clarity, which on the clarity scale is the closest to becoming internally flawless as you can. What it comes down to is you'd be paying $1,800 more for a VVS1 clarity versus a VS1 clarity. So this was just one example in which the ring size and color is identical. The only difference is the clarity, and you're paying $1,800 more. So for a bit of background on this ring, so my husband and I went shopping around 4 years ago in February of 2016, which actually happened to be my birthday month. We went to the Tiffany & Co. store location in Pasadena, and we spoke with one of the associates, and from there they did an online search of their inventory to find the ring that we'd be comfortable with in our budget, and we could also vary factors such as the clarity, cut, or color, and that would influence the price up or down so we could find something in our price range. So 4 years ago when I picked up the ring, they came in their standard black boxes, but now they have since updated their boxes to these teal Tiffany Blue boxes. And if you ever get your ring cleaned in store, which they do recommend that you do at least twice a year, you can just request one of the more recent boxes and they'll just include that with your ring cleaning. The times that I'm not wearing this ring, it's kept in our safe at home, and I do have an alternate engagement ring that I wear on a more daily basis, and that is my ring from Costco. I have a review on that as well, and that one my husband actually completely surprised me with. He picked it up actually in the Costco location at Oregon when he was on a business trip around 4 years ago. As you may know, Oregon is one of the 5 states in the US that currently have a 0% sales tax rate, the others being Alaska, Delaware, Montana, and New Hampshire. And if I recall correctly, that ring was under $3,500, so it's at a much more comfortable price point that I'd be comfortable wearing on a more daily basis. Now I want to talk a little bit on the wear and durability of this Tiffany ring. So far I have gotten it cleaned at least 3 to 4 times, I would say. Every time that I get it back, it's in pristine condition. They have buffed out any potential scratches, and to me it looks just as good as the day that I got it. So in my opinion, this ring has worn really well over the past 4 years. You eating this? Now this is what the ring looks like under the LED lights of my phone. So you can see it does scintillate quite a bit, and scintillation is the contrast and the darkness and the lightness of the diamond. So this is what the ring looks like under natural light. I'm just in the upstairs bedroom in front of a window. This is what the ring looks like in outdoor lighting conditions. So now we're going to go over a few Tiffany alternatives. So I got a few ideas from this site called Craft, which is a platform that provides comparative data across companies. I'm first going to discuss Blue Nile, then second I'm going to discuss JamesAllen.com, which is owned by Signet Jewelers, and lastly I'm going to talk about the online retailer Brilliant Earth. So Blue Nile has been around for over 20 years. They were founded in 1999. One benefit to them is they cut out the middleman, so they pass those savings on to you. Their diamonds are approximately 1/3 the price of Tiffany's. So under the Build Your Own Ring feature on Blue Nile's site, you can set parameters such as price, carat, cut, color, and clarity, and they will give you various options. In this example, we have a 2.01 carat weight ring. The total with the setting and stone is $18,600. The stone is color G, it has a VS1 clarity. Their stones also come with a GIA graded report as well. Signet Jewelers Limited is the world's largest retailer of diamond jewelry. They own JamesAllen.com, which is what we're going to be discussing next. Founded in 2006, JamesAllen soon became the largest privately held online diamond and bridal jewelry retailer in the world. They have also manufactured diamonds for major retailers, including Tiffany. Currently, they are the only retailer to present each of its ring settings and more than 200,000 diamonds in highly magnified 360 degrees HD. On their site, you can select from earth or lab-created diamonds. Using their search tool, you can filter the shape, color, clarity, cut, carat, and price as well. Once again, their diamonds are all viewable in 360 degrees HD that match your setting. So these are the search results. The one I have here is 1.53 carat weight with a color eye. They also come with GIA certificates. You can see this diamond alone is just shy of $8,000, and here we have the 360 degree view of the diamond. The ring setting in platinum costs $11.60, and as you can see, this ring setting only has 4 prongs holding the diamond, unlike the Tiffany 6-prong setting. My last example is from Brilliant Earth. They were founded in 2005, and what sets them apart is that their fine jewelry is crafted primarily from recycled precious metals. So this is what the search tool for Brilliant Earth looks like. Once again, it looks very similar to the previous two. Here we have a 1.5 carat round diamond, ideal cut, color J, VS1 clarity, and that is just shy of $8,000, making that the least expensive of my following examples. The Tiffany style 6-prong ring setting is available in 4 different metals. The platinum will cost you $780. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you like content like this. I do have other ring review videos on my channel. I have budget options as well for those who are interested, and there is also an Amazon alternative to the Tiffany Setting style engagement ring if you just want to test it out for yourself or just want the look for less. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
The last sprinkled on the fish.
Okay, how about this one? This